This is Southwest 212 and we're live. And I'm back with a black wing. We're going to do some math right here. This is your homework, the chapter review number 2. This is number 1. If you're wondering what these graphs are in the middle of the paper right over here, they're just if you want to graph these. You could rearrange this and make it y equals mx plus b and graph it if you want to. Or you can just pick any method you want. It says use any method. You pick. I'm going to use elimination on this one because I see it. Both of these are in standard form. So I'm going to just make it so that I can eliminate one of the variables. So I'm going to make the y's match up right here because I see that one is positive, one is negative. I can easily turn this into a plus 3y, and that'll cancel with the minus 3y. So I'm going to times this whole bottom equation to match up my y's. So I'm going to times it by 3. So timesing by 3. For the bottom equation, that'll get me 3x plus 3y equals 6. I'm going to kind of cross out, well, I'm not going to cross it out. It'll be nice to use it at the end. I'm just going to remember that I'm adding these equations together, the top one and the bottom one, not the middle one. So 3 plus 3x is going to get me 6x. Negative 3y, positive 3y makes a 0. So 12 plus 6, 18. We'll divide both sides by 6, and we have x. X equals 3. Okay, I'm going to plug that back in to get my y. That's the same step as substitution. The last step is the same as substitution. You plug it back into one of the problems. That second equation right there, the original one, is super easy. Let's plug it in there, right here. So that's going to be 3 plus y equals 2. Subtract the 3 to the other side. Y equals negative 1. So that'll get us a coordinate pair of 3, comma, negative 1. You could always type these two equations into Desmos and see where they cross. That'd be a way to check your answer anytime you do a system, because you'd see the crossing point would be that. Southwest 212, over and out.